Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to claim your NodePay tokens to OKX exchange with zero gas fee. So I will leave a link in description. Click on it and you will land on this page. Here you need to connect your Solana wallet. For me I will use Phantom. Now when you scroll down you will see that you need NodePay address from OKX and OKX UID. All you need to do is go to OKX and copy your UID and paste it here. Now go and copy the deposit address of NodePay and paste it here. Then just tap on confirm and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also drop a comment below if you have any question. I will do my best to assist. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.